In this video, I'm going to show you how to view all journal entries in QuickBooks Online. So there's actually two ways. I'm going to show you both. The first one is to go to the Reports tab over here on the left. So just click on that. And then from here up top, you'll basically see you have like report names. So you want to click on here, and what you want to type in is journal, okay? Like this, there we go. And as you can see, journal is going to pop up. So you simply want to click on that, and it's going to give you a report of your journal entries, okay? So just like this. And over here, all of them are going to be listed. Now you can of course use this customize button over here to basically filter it, to filter data, to see the visuals, etc. And you can change the time period top left over here if you just want them in a specific time period. That's the first way. But then the second one is to actually go to, of course, the recent entries history. So click on the create button top left, then go to journal entry over here. And what you want to do here, you want to click on this rewind clock button top left. And when you do so, click on view more. And in here, it's basically going to show you all the, of course, recent entries in your history, and you can go and select the date range as well. And that way you can basically see all of them too, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.